Hey, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this black and white Google map using Elementor. So let's get started. To add a new item, tap the plus icon. Let's take a section with a single column. Drag and drop the Google Maps widget over here. Make the height 50. All of the stuff can be changed here. Clicking the Style tab brings me to the next step. The CSS filters can be found on the Normal tab by default. By clicking on that, I can now decrease the saturation. Nothing happens when I hover over it. You can change things again by selecting the Hover tab over here. Set saturation to 100 in CSS filters. How can I change the transition if I don't like it? We can set it to 1 by sliding the slider. Click on the column and the Advanced tab. Set the padding to 0 and click Update. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos to catch you later.